So I'm at the expo again, and I'm with this company called Axiom. They're going to show us how to use this machine right here. It is a UV DTF printer, but on a bed. They have another one over here. This one is a rolled UV DTF printer, and as you can see, they have stickers sitting here. That thing looks good. Those are the stickers. They also have this roll feed DTF printer. It's a small chassis, not one of the big ones. So you can get this thing in a small space if you have one. Apart from the size of that thing over there. Say it again?
This is our new 2436 Vision Scan UV printer. It prints without a template. You're able to put random pieces on the platen. It'll scan it. You pick your designs. It'll orient it to the location of the pieces laying on the platen randomly, and will print correctly on the units as it goes across the field. So it doesn't. You don't have to have templates. You can do unique items. You don't have to arrange them any particular way.
Is this a priority? What's that word again? Priority software, or you guys own the software, or is it like a random?
No, it comes with it. It's CAD Link.
Okay.
You can use it on CAD Link or Flexi or pretty much any other RIP software you want to use.
Right.
And it's just basically a UV printer. It has a 7-inch throat, and it prints CMYK, white, and varnish. And it will. The biggest thing about it is it will print by visually orient the design to the object being printed. So you don't have to arrange it in any certain way. You can put it on there crooked. You can put 6 of them on there in all sorts of different locations. Just throw them out there. And it will scan it. It'll orient the design you have to the shape that you're printing, that you're looking for, and it will print it correctly on that shape, oriented correctly. So it's a tremendous time saver. You don't have to buy templates and have everything prepared and nested in templates, properly spaced to be able to line up with a print file you have. You simply have one print file. It's the outline and the art, and then you throw out your pieces and it finds them and prints on them correctly.
How high does it actually go? I saw the video a while ago. The thing was actually going on.
It's about 7 inches. 7 inches of clearance. So you can print on a box or a square, a cube, or I don't know, whatever is dimensional.
That's pretty awesome. 7 inches clearance.
It works like any other UV printer, except it has that vision scan capability that is unique.
Yeah, that is unique. Most of them you have to template in, you have mixtures in the right spot.
Exactly.
All the other craziness, it just does it automatically.
Automatically. So no need to buy templates, cut templates, prepared templates.
And how much something like this runs?
It's normally $40,900. And we're doing it for $44,000.
That's a 24. Wow. That's pretty cool. I like that. And size bottles, ink, how much ink you use in there?
They're liter bottles. You buy it in liters, pour it in the bulk system.
Oh, it's a bulk system?
Correct.
I like bulk system versus those cartridges, because you have to worry about if manufacturers are delayed.
If it's chipped and you can't use it, you pull it out too many times, or you've got a half a cartridge of ink and it's still not be able to use it, all that. We don't do that.
Yeah, see, that's what I like to hear. So yeah, that's definitely like a big. And a lot of times the manufacturer, what they'll do is they'll make you not, you're forced to use their inks.
Right.
You can't just buy some off-brand ink and dump it in there.
We know our inks work correctly, can use other inks if you choose.
Yeah, see, this was
I can't, I can't guarantee what's going to happen if you use other inks. But
at least you can if you need
you can if you choose.
Because like I said, the manufacturing, the inks, you have back stock. You can't really support it.
Or they're out.
And I need ink right now.
Or they're out. Yeah.
Exactly. So why do I do this?
Well, you wait. You tell your customer, I can't deliver today, and you hope they don't go somewhere else.
Exactly. Right. So with the bulk ink system, at least if you don't have the ink right away, you're good to go no matter what.
Right.
Awesome.
I think I hit your button.
That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Thanks again for your time.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.